So today we are going to study about the linear equation in two variable. So linear equation in two variable, uh, we have already discussed the linear equation in one variable in the previous class. That means you already know about uh, some equation, that is x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So these are some of the example of linear equation in one variable which already we discussed in the previous class. So now today we will discuss about linear equation two variables. So first of all we will discuss about linear equation in one variable, and let's recall from the previous class concept. Suppose I have one equation, that is 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now how can we represent this linear equation? How can we represent the solution of this linear equation on number line? Suppose there is a one number line, and in that number line we are having some points, that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, and here -1, -2, -3, and so on. So according to this the concept, that is linear equation in one variable. So one variable it explains that it is having only one solution. So what is that one solution? So if we solve, that is 2x is equal to, take 5 here, -5, and which will give you x is equal to -5.2. So x is equal to -5.2, that means 2.5. Then 2.5 will be in between -2 and -3, so somewhere the point will be here. Now this is the we can say that the solution of a linear equation in one variable is we can locate this on the number line. So on the basis of this, how can we find the position of the linear equation two variable on the number line? So let's take one example, that is again 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. This is one example, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Now we know that for each value of x there will be different value of y. So here we can say that in this linear equation in two variable, there is no any fixed solution, there is no any fixed point for every solution. For example, if I put x equal to 1, there will be different value of y. If I put x equal to 2, there will be different value of y. So for each value of one variable, there will be different value of another variable. So in this way we will have distinct points on the number line, and we can say that there are infinitely many solutions of a linear equation in two variable. So basically the linear equation two variable is of the form, that is ax plus by plus c, where a, b and c these are the real numbers, and where a and b cannot be equal to 0. Where a and b cannot be equal to 0, if a and b is 0, then one of the variable will be 0, and this equation will change to linear equation in one variable. Now this is the general form of this linear equation one variable, and where a, b and c are the real numbers. C here can be 0 and cannot be 0, depends on the condition. So many situation we can change the in many of the situation we can convert the situation in linear equation two variable. For example, let's take one example. Suppose in a match, in a cricket match, two batsmen are batting and they together scored 176 run. So they together scored 176 run, but we don't know that the first batsman or the second batsman how many runs scored. So suppose that the first batsman score X runs and the second batsman score the Y runs. So together we can write that is X plus Y is equal to 176. So this X plus Y is equal to 176 is linear equation two variable, where X can be of different values and Y can be of different values. Suppose X scored, the first batsman scored 100 run, then definitely the second batsman would have scored 76 runs. Similarly, the first batsman scored 50 runs, then the second batsman would have scored 126. So similarly, there will be different values of X and Y depending on the values of each variable. So this is all about the linear equation two variable. Now in the next video we will see that how we can show the graphical representation of this linear equation two variable on the graph. Thank you so much.